Are you looking for a simple and engaging way to tell your next Bible story? Well, introducing our new and improved story bags. These are now handcrafted in our workshop by our team here in the UK. The way they work is, well, as we're telling the story, we use colours, patterns and different shapes to illustrate the different parts, the different twists and turns of the story. Now, these can be used in your church services, in your kids clubs, in maybe your toddler groups, whatever it may be. If you've got a story to tell, this is a great way to do that. Now, our story bags are incredibly easy to use. There's no special handling to do them or anything like that. All you do is just twist them inside out, and then that reveals the next colour on the bag. Now, this is our Easter one, so this starts with a green colour for Palm Sunday, so we may use it as a palm leaf and wave it around, and then it goes into the blue, and this is for the water where Jesus washed his disciples' feet. And as you turn them, it unturns and unfolds a new part of the story. Whether it use shapes in illustrations like this, or like our Good Shepherd one, which has patterned fabrics on there, like this flock of sheep as well. Every bag comes with an outline of what each colour represents, and also a full ready-to-use script. Or why not get creative and add your own personal style to it as well. So what are you waiting for? With 11 in the collection, your next story is in the bag.